Hi everyone and welcome back, or if you're new, thank you for coming over. My name is Ellie Fraser and I'm here from Gold Coast, Australia. Today we'll be doing an acrylic pour. I am going to be doing the swiping method. I have got, here they are. So I just cut out some little swiping sections out of a divider, so a plastic divider. So I will be going ahead and doing that today. I will zoom you in and run through the colours with you, let you know what I added into my acrylic paints. So I'll zoom you in right now and let's get into it. Alright, got my glovies on today. Actually, bear with me. Alright, so last time I was trying to spread out a base darker colour. I was having problems spreading it out and I was getting my finger, splodges around, so the colour wasn't even throughout the pour. We'll just go grab it. So this is one I've done before. It's, like I said, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's got little marks. So the paint's not even, even the white can see marks throughout. But I will add the link to that video in the description below if you wanted to check that out on what I'm talking about. So I went out and I've got, what are these called? They're called a foam brush. So hopefully these help me spread it out, but we'll give it a go. I'm gonna do black here and here and then white in the middle. So I'll just spread the black acrylic paint down now. I was also told to put obviously more paint to help with the spreading out and also runnier. So I've taken everyone's advice, so thank you so much for that. Hopefully that's enough. If not, I'll just put more on, like that. But yeah, thank you so much everyone that has commented. Please keep them coming. I love having people's advice on what to do. I am only new, so I'm learning. Just spreading this out. Like I said, I want a bit of white in the middle. I think now I've put way too much black on. I never know, but this is definitely working. It's not leaving any how much white am I going to put in there? It's not leaving any brush marks or finger marks. It's actually really handy. Okay, so and it'll run off the side. Like I said, I definitely would recommend these brushes. Where did I get them from? I got them from Spotlight, so anyone from Australia. They were only like, I think like $3 or $4, and it came in a pack of 4. So black done. Now I'm going to go with white in the middle. Okay, so the colours that I've chosen today to put into the middle, I've got, I think it's sort of like a pastel yellow colour. So I'm just going to do a line straight across. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. I've got red, so just a plain red cut. Well, it's not plain, it's nice and bright paint. So just running it beside the yellow. I've already got this made up It's a Kmart Pouring paint, so it was already made up. It's a nice pastel peachy colour. These ones are actually really runny. I did try these in another painting and the colour didn't actually come through on that painting, so I'll give it another go and see if it will this time. So I'm going to put heaps down of this colour. Okay. And now a bright blue paint. Ooh. Okay. Now the swiping tools, where did I put those? Okay, so back to my dividers. I've decided I'm going to go angle wise, I think. We'll try that, give it a go. I'm going to go in with the bigger one. Where am I going to start? I will start right here. So just resting it nicely and slowly dragging. And now on this side. So gently resting. Wow, look at that. So my acrylic paints, they've actually only got water. So it's just the acrylic paint and what's going on there? Just swiped it way too hard. Yeah, so what was I saying? The acrylic paint and then just adding in water into that and just only slowly add it in until I get the right runniness for whatever method I am using, because each method you need it either runnier or thicker. So yeah, it's so easy, so cheap as well. You don't have to worry about paying lots of money for the pouring mediums. You can literally just go in with your tap water. A little bit of a blodge of red there, just so I can spread that through the paint. Over here it's got no blue, so I'm just going to run the blue through there. Very different, very different. Don't know whether to add maybe some balloon kisses through there. Yeah, I might do that. I'm gonna blame Jilly Cube for all these balloon kisses. She's got me hooked on them. Love her work. Okay, let's dab it. Like I said, I've literally run out of room to wipe everything. So I'm just trying to wipe that paint off. I'm going to go in with the bigger balloon. So I did a little bit of a rolling kiss. Alright, I am going to leave it. So thank you all for watching. I will do a nice zoom in so you get to see the nice pretty sales that are coming through, lacing sales, whatever you want to call them. Thanks again for watching. Keep watching, remember to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future ones, and let me know what else I should be doing. Yeah, so thanks again, and I'll see you next time.